Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have an episode where we will be unboxing a gaming laptop from MSI. At this point I want to thank them for making this possible. This is the top of the line gaming laptop that they have available, but of course they have a lot of different variations starting from 699 up to 6,000 euros depending what you are looking for, and this is priced on the end of that range. So I'm gonna quickly cheat the specs here. So this model has 17-inch IPS panel, QHD resolution, well QHD plus because it's 16 by 10 the aspect ratio, and 240 Hz, so it's really good for gaming, fast FPS games, really suitable for that. The processor is, we're shooting this video at the end of 2023, and this is the fastest processor that you can have in a laptop. So it's Intel's Core i9 13950 HX, so that's the best performing processor that there is at the moment. When we go to the graphic card side, it has the RTX 4080 with 12 GB of memory. I've checked, this is also available to get with 4090 if you want the best possible graphic card that there is, but 4080 for this combination, it's actually quite balanced, but if you want, there is better options available. As for the storage, there's 4 TB of SSD, so there are two actual drives in here. So if you're looking to have a secure drive, you can set them in write function, so it will automatically back up your drive to another drive. Then you will have 2 TB of storage if you want that. As for the memory, of course it has DDR5, but it has 64 GB of memory. So that's a lot, because I would say that a standard gaming machine should have 16 GB. So 64 is basically all you can need. Good. Other than that, basic wireless Bluetooth, Windows 11 professional, and quite powerful charger. That's about it. The box itself doesn't really tell you more, so I think it's best that we start unpacking this. Okay, this is the laptop itself. Heavy. I think we're gonna go through the box first to see what is here. So that's the power brick. So you can see that it's quite big. So, but then again, a computer this powerful really needs the juice, so to speak. But that's it, nothing more. So let's put this aside. And let's check the laptop itself. I like the design, looks good. The MSI logo is there. This is quite heavy. Standard laptops are around 1.2 kilograms, but I'm talking about something that's not for gaming. This is 3 kilograms, so it's a big boy. Checking on the I/O, Thunderbolt, that's good. Memory card reader, audio headset jack. Something in the front. Well, I'm thinking that this might be an RGBs. Let's see. Dual USB-A's and USB-C, and on the back Ethernet, HDMI out, and I think this is USB-C with supports DisplayPort out, and another that looks like a USB. No, that's the power. Yeah, the power connector. Good thing, when you check back here, you can see that there are 2 big exhausters for the hot air. So this is where the computer will push out the hot air, and there are some holes in the bottom, so it will suck in the cool air here and push it out from the back. That's a good design. Opening it. Nice. We have to do the test that was always done in the 2000s, so can you open it with one finger? I'm guessing you can.
Yay!
I like the look. There's nothing extra here that gaming laptop doesn't really need to have. The keyboard is done by Steelseries. It's not mechanical, but it's actually quite sturdy. The travel distance isn't that far. It should have RGBs. I will check that later on. Before we start booting this up, I'm doing the opening it up first. So I'm gonna see what's inside here. I didn't get it open. There might be some extra things hooking the bottom blade to the actual case, and I don't have the instructions for it right now, so I'm not gonna break it. But we're gonna skip that part. But we're gonna boot it up. Ah.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
Not sure if the camera... Yeah, it picks it up, yes.
Next up, we're gonna run some benchmarking on this. I will compare it to my editing PC and my other PC, gaming PC. Those are a little bit older, but we will see that how a new gaming laptop compares to older gaming PCs. Basically, this one has 2080 and the other has 3090. So as a graphic card. So I'm guessing that this should in paper beat both of them, but we will see. We will be trying some benchmarking and you will see the results now. Okay, so for the benchmark, as I was talking earlier, this is the configurations of all the devices that I've been using. The editing PC and gaming PC are a little bit older, but they will give us nice reference of how powerful the laptop actually is. Starting with the CPU profile test, this is run for all the threads and all the cores, so it's not purely even because editing PC doesn't have so many cores or threads, neither does the gaming PC, but this was done so that you can actually see that when I was talking about the powerful CPU that this has, it is actually shown in the benchmarking also, because the i9 is quite much powerful than the Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 that are used on the other devices. In DLSS feature, this is a gaming benchmark for the RTX technology. No surprise that the gaming PC with the 3090 Ti is more powerful than the 4080 that is with the MSI. The 3090 Ti was the top of the line for the previous generation, and the 4080 is 2 ranks below that. Firestrike is about DirectX 11 benchmark, so that is something that some of the older games these days use, not really so relevant in my eyes. But here again the 3090 Ti shows that it's very powerful. TimeSpy is then again DirectX 12 benchmark for the newer games. Here we can see that the 4080 is gaining to the gaming PC's 4090, where the difference is not that much bigger. The ray tracing test, the gaming PC still is a little bit more powerful, but the 4080 is coming quite nicely after it, not a big difference there. With the new mesh shader test, we can still see that the 3090 Ti is kicking the 4080's butts, but not much. The port royal test is a combination of real-time DLSS and older rendering techniques. Nothing here really surprising here. The 4080 is quite powerful, but 4090 Ti is still overperforming it. And the speedway test is rather similar, and the results are quite same on that also. So, no surprises in my opinion in the benchmarking test. Like I said, the processor in this thing is a beast. It is overperforming older desktop processors. Well, not that old, but still overperforming them quite well. The 4080 is a powerful graphic card, but you have to keep in mind that the 4080 in laptop is not the same thing as 4080 in desktop, because there are differences in the chipsets. So no wonder that the 3090 was overperforming it in graphic test. But if you are looking for a powerful gaming PC, editing PC to go, this is the one that I would recommend. It ticks all the boxes. However, you might still want to keep in mind that at the moment this retails around, depending on the campaign, to 4,000 to 5,000 euros. So that's more expensive than a car at the moment.
So I'm not getting this for Christmas then?
No.
Oh.
But overall, that is the standard price level if you want the power to go, so to speak. I was gonna perform some gaming tests also with this, but as you may already know, I have the anti-Midas dots, so the user profile service failed to sign in. I have no idea what I've done. Most likely I've done something, but
So I might be getting this for Christmas if we can't send it back.
I hope that we can send it back.
I don't.
Powerful gaming to go, this is the way to go, but the price is quite expensive. And once again, I want to thank MSI for making this possible. Make sure you check out their website because they have other powerful gaming devices also available. Price ranges in laptops starting from under 1,000 euros up to 7,000.
The huge nerd in me sees the red lights and thinks, K.I.T.T, the car.
I did that, yeah. I was testing the software, it's running back because it is done by the software. So yeah, I had to do it because I had to test it. Thank you for watching, and you know that subscribe and everything like that, and yeah.
Do everything we are supposed to ask you to do. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye.